Hello and welcome to this portion of the saxophone workshop. We're going to talk about expressive techniques, and this includes exploring vibration, vibrato, dynamics, and phrasing and articulation. So let's get started with vibrato. Vibrato makes the sound la wave, and it kind of makes it melodic. And it makes it sweet. When you do that on the saxophone, you do kind of a chewing motion, whoa, 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 with your mouth and your bottom lip. And so you get it to flex the reed back and forth, and it sounds something like this. So as you can see in here, I'm doing a chewing motion with my mouth, and as you can hear, it's making the sound vibrato. And so using that with that phrasing with your bottom lip, making it kind of a chewing motion, is really how that works. Now, talking about dynamics. Dynamics is where we're going to get louder or softer, depending on the phrase that you're playing. Typically, if you're going up a scale, you're going to get louder, and if you're going to go down a scale, you might get softer. Or you can switch it up and get louder as you go down the scale, making it aggressive and loud, and get softer as you go up a scale, making it sweet and making it float. And so that sounds something like this on a basic C major scale. I'm going to start off and start out low and go loud as I get up to the top of the register, and then work my way down and get softer as I go back down. And so now if we go the other way, where we get louder going down and softer as we go up, it carries a different tone. And that is dynamics. Phrasing is where we want to create different segments of tones, and maybe in one section we're soft, in another section or segment we are loud. And maybe in one segment we crescendo up, and another segment we crescendo down. And so that would sound something like this, putting it all together. So as you can hear, I was phrasing different segments with my articulation and making dynamics louder and softer, and adding a little bit of vibrato in there for color. And that is expressive technique. So in review, to use vibrato, we want to use your bottom jaw and move it back and forth, wah, 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 up and down as you hold a note. You want to separate phrases to create segments, and use your diaphragm to push out and make louder notes as you go up and softer notes as you go down, or vice versa. And that is expressive techniques.